Welcome back to Nazarettos channel, my dear YouTubers. I got another video for you. Really quick installation of this product right here. It's in the trunk right now. I'll show you what it is. This video episode is sponsored by CarTrimHome.com. They sent me this metal bumper protector that's gonna go over here on the bumper and also on this part right here. There's two pieces. And this is all made from metal. This is just a film that protects it. So the first piece we're going to install is this. I remove this rubber trim. Before we apply this product, make sure it all aligns nicely. See, it goes here, goes here, and yeah, it looks good. It looks like it's aligns good. Yep. Now what we're gonna do, I have to clean this surface right here, make sure it's all spotless clean. There's nothing greasy on here because the 3M tape is not gonna stick. So when you align this, right, make sure it all sits nicely. You have to check if it's perfectly making contact with your plastic trim right here. So this end is fine. We keep moving, and I do see some imperfection on this corner. So this corner was a little bit sticking out, right? And this is what I did, guys. Make sure you get your pliers, right? Flip this thing on the other side. Take a towel, you know, like this. Put it on this end, and then with your pliers, kind of bend it in. It's not going to be like perfect. If you find like a little imperfection like that, the metal's a little bit bent. This is what I did. I had some imperfection on this end right here, and I had to use this method. You put this towel and bend the metal back so it would perfectly align and make contact with the original plastic trim. So now everything looks good. There's no imperfections. It looks good, and all it is 3M tape. But it comes with these little towels, adhesion promoters. We're also going to use this product. Then we're going to take the tape off and, you know, apply it. But always check for any imperfection, you know. Go over one more time before you apply this. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. Then once we are going to apply this, we're going to peel the tape off at the end. Alright, so now we can remove this film from this product. Peel it off. Peel it off. The reason why I'm doing this now, because I just want to make sure, before I install it, make sure there's no like damage or scratches on this part. But so far it looks good. I'm just going to continue peeling it off, and it's very satisfying. It looks nice. It's all metal, aluminum. Alright, let's keep working on it. Peel the tape off, and I also put it on I did not stick it on yet. Just want to make sure it looks good before we stick it on. We're also gonna clean this edges right here. This is all just tape, glue. Make sure you don't have this tape still on. But just a general look at it, it looks nice. So now we're gonna apply this thing. I'm gonna peel the stickers on the other side, and we're just gonna apply it on. Important step, make sure you get this little towel adhesion promoter. Wipe this plastic very good from any grease. And it smells kind of funny. Just wipe it good and then we can peel the tape on that part and stick it on. Peel the 3M tape. Tape is off. Now let's apply it. Alright, make sure you apply uniform pressure. Yep. Now if it doesn't stick, grab your air dryer and heat it up. And this one doesn't want to stick very well. So that's what I'm going to do. Well, no matter what I tried, it's not sticking on. Keeps loose. So I'm gonna go like to a store and get like a 3M tape. Put a new 3M tape, which is stronger. But it all aligns nicely. It just doesn't stick. It looks nice. And in addition to that, there's this sign that goes here. Well, this piece sticks much better. Also heat up the tape. Yeah, it sticks much better. Not coming off. Just apply even pressure. I don't know how long this gonna hold it, but I'm gonna have some 3M tape. I'm gonna buy it just in case. And now we're gonna clean this part right here and apply that Rav4 sign. I'm gonna take this sign right here, heat it up on the back, take the tape off, and put it on the stick it on the little cover. Okay, let's take this sign right here. I also preheated this tape, and let's nicely apply it on. That. Yep, it's on. Oh, this is how it looks. Looks like carbon fiber. It's all metal. There's this rubber trim that goes around this piece. See, it goes around, all around. This is how it looks with the trunk closed. It looks very nice. The Rav4 sign sticking out. It's beautiful. This will protect your bumper when you're loading groceries, or you know, let's say I have dogs. When my dogs get in here, jump in, they're gonna scratch this than the bumper itself, because this part is cheap to replace instead of the bumper. It looks good. And this also matches my door trim, the door sill protectors right here. Perfectly matches. That's nice. I like it. Now for this part, I'm gonna put new 3M tape, and we're gonna stick it on there, and this is how it's gonna look. It's gonna look like this. Oh, I forgot these inserts. There's also Rav4 signs. There's one more, goes here. I don't know, I think it's too much. 3 Rav4s. Yeah. Let's put the mat in place. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 Rav4 signs. This kind of looks funny. I'm not sure if I'm actually gonna keep this piece right here, because it's just too funny. I have a Rav4 in here, you know, Rav4. Or, you know what, I'm not just gonna put these on, but still, it's kind of funny. What do you think, guys? I mean, it protects the plastic. It's just I gotta stick it on better with this tape. But do I really want to leave all these Rav4 signs? So I ended up going to the hardware store and bought this tape. 3M, says 3M right here. Double-sided extreme strength tape. So it's gonna try this on that part that is not sticking on. Well, let's see how it looks. It looks awesome. This piece right here, it looks awesome. Kind of shiny, and it's pretty dark outside. It looks cool. Let's open up the trunk. Wow. Definitely great update to the vehicle. I put more 3M tape, new one, put it in more spaces. And let's apply it. Also, it's good to put here a big piece on the edge, on this edge, on this edge, then here on both edges right here. Let's see if it sticks. Let's give it a try. Alright guys, did a successful job. I put new tape, 3M tape on the other end, and let's see how it looks. I'm sorry it's evening hours, it's very late, but it turned out pretty nice, especially this bottom part on the bumper. And if you ordered this black piece, it's called like carbon fiber. They have a delivery from the United States, so you will get this within like 3 days. And also, you see the sign here Rav4 and sign here Rav4. I'm not too crazy about it. I wish they send me the product that didn't have this sign, you know. Oh well, but you can choose a silver one, metallic silver, and this option, and have another option. So chose this one because it's carbon fiber. And it looks good. It's just now I have 4 signs that are 4. It's kind of funny. Oh well. Here it is. Well, here's another idea for you. If that stuff doesn't stick well and you put some tape, you can use some of your lifting weights to hold the pressure down, and this tape will stick very well. Leave it for like 10-15 minutes. This is what I did. I know it looks funny, and it looks very funny, but this is the idea that I came up with. Make sure you put towels so you don't scratch this. Put something heavy, you know, if you don't want to hold it, or let's just say you put enough pressure but it's still kind of coming off. Well, you can do this, you know. Alright guys, I need your honest opinion. Tell me if you hate it, like it, whatever. I'm not too crazy about this trim, and even though it looks good, I apply it, it's pretty nice. That extra tape that I put, it works very well. It holds it in place good. Definitely love this trim right here, but let me know how this looks. Thank you, Car Trim Home, for sponsoring this video. This was my honest review to you guys, what I think of this product. I mean, it looks so beautiful. And another thing I really like about it, you can buy a different trim. Let's say if you have a different trim, Rav4 Adventure, let's say you have this silver part right here, right? You can get a different bumper protector. It's a different style, but I decided to stick with this one because it matches even my steel protectors. It's pretty much exactly the same as this, so it looks cool. Now when my dogs are jumping into the vehicle, you know, let's say if I'm loading something, the bumper will not get scratched and you don't have to worry about. So guys, if you like that episode, today's episode, please subscribe, like, share, and see you in the next one. And also that's the reason why I got these bumper protectors, because of my dogs. You know, they like to jump in the trunk, they have nails, so this way I have protection on my bumper now. This is Frank. Hey Daisy, come here. And this is Daisy. So thanks guys, bye.